My dear friends, welcome back to B Spice. In this session, we'll discuss about DCS Foundation Fieldbus Marshalling Cabinet. Okay, so I hope you had watched my previous session on System Cabinet, Analog Marshalling Cabinet, and Digital Marshalling Cabinet. Just a recap actually. So specific components for System Cabinet is field control unit and node interface, right? These are the two predominant items. And for marshalling, what we have discussed, terminal boards, right? Then IS barriers, then 24-volt DC power supply unit, right? Then for the digital marshalling, another add-on item is the relay board. Relay board for DI and relay board for DO. Okay, digital input and digital output. Then of course the terminal boards and the 24-volt power supply. Okay. For this FF marshalling, what we have is FF power supply board. That is the add-on. Okay. In addition to that, we have 24-volt DC power supply. Okay. Let's move on with the agenda. So one actually, as usual, will focus on external layout, then channel-based detail, internal arrangement, sectional view, power distribution 120 volt AC UPS, power distribution 24 volt DC, then bill of material. So these are the things we are going to focus on. Okay. So once again, what I want to tell you all, this is actually targeted for a system companies, guys who are is with the system vendors. Okay. And of course, EPC should look for all these also, but predominantly it's for the system engineers. Okay. System engineers means whoever is involved from the system side. Okay, friends. So yeah, as usual, I will just go to the drawing. Yeah. So I'll just start explaining one by one. Okay. As you can see here, this is the first external layout or first page, right? So in the external layout, there is not much difference between what we have discussed for system marshalling, all this. Similarly, you have this dimension, right? Yes, 2000. I don't know whether it's visible. Yes. See the panel length, height is 2000, and along with the plinth 100, it is 2105. Okay. Then you have a fan 1 and fan 2 as usual, nameplate. Then you have this, drawing packet. Here the filter 1 and filter 2 at the bottom. So this is the front view. Then you have the rear view. Here also same thing. You have fan, okay, and also the drawing packet and the filter. Okay, friends. So this is about the external layout. Okay, we should ensure this, right. Then specification point of view, same sheet steel, enclosure frame, roof and landing plate is 1.5 mm thickness, door is 2 mm thickness. It's all Rittal standard. Mounting plates is 3 mm. Then surface finish, enclosure frame is actually dip coat prime, and door and roof dip coat prime, powder coated in texture. What is that? 7035. Okay. Gland plate zinc plated, and plinth is 7022. That is a black color. Okay. So that's it, friends. Very simple. Now we go to the channel base actually. Yeah, channel base is again. So this is a plan view of the channel base. You can see the, all these channel base details. Everything. Yeah, the dimension, all these there. So we should ensure that you can see that depth, right? Yeah, this 800. Yes, not depth. Actually, 800 is what? Yeah, length actually. Yeah, length. Okay. Then you have a gland plate, a removable gland plate, right? Yes. So first is the external layout. Now in this, we have to give the gland plate details also. Then of course, this is the plinth. Because I'm just proceeding because we already covered, but main thing is the FF point, the FF point of view, we need to focus on the internal layout. That's why I'm just, running through. Okay. So this is your gland, the panel bolt. Okay. Right. Okay. Then we'll go to this internal layout, which is very important again. Yes. So as you can see here, item 33, again, what is that? It is the lamp, right? Yes, light, right? Yes. So this is also, there's not much of difference actually, okay? We call it as a universal light. Then you have the circuit breaker, 39, yes. And you have the power supply, 1 and 2, redundant supply, right? Then you have all these terminal blocks for the power supply, right? Yes. So what is this 24? 24 is nothing but marker holder. Yes, it's a marker holder. Then what is this 25 is the end bracket, okay. 26 is end plate, okay. Then 30 power distribution terminal. Yeah, this is all basically terminal, friends. Okay. So I just put 12 numbers. This again based on your signals, all these number of signals. And main here this one item 16. This one is a PVC duct. Okay. This is what is that? 60 by 100. I don't know whether it's visible. Yes, 60 by 100. So here also here this side is 40 by 100. Then what else? You are here also you have the terminal block, terminal blocks, right? There's all these terminal blocks. Okay, so nothing much to add here. Then you have all this perforated tray for the cable dressing. Okay, yes, and what is this? This is the one, the TB, right? Yes, the terminal boards, which I discussed, right? Yes. So this is on the sectional view, right? Okay. What else? Here we have what is this 13 and 12. Yeah, we have to see that 13 is again yeah, this is earth actually. Yeah, instrument earth is 13 and safety is the 12 actually. This is a safety earth, right? In fact, just for your info, friends, we uploaded one video on grounding. You can see that and get benefited. Okay, if you wish to add on something on this. So that's it, internal layout. So mainly this one is with the what do you call the power supply board, FF power supply board. Okay, the terminal boards, right? Yes. Then you have what else here? This is again rear view. This is rear view. Here also, right? This 42, I told you, no, this is very important item for this FF panel, which is MTL redundant field bus power hub for 8 segments. Okay, this is the one, right? 42, all these. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Here also terminal block, and here also all these terminal blocks are there. So this is the gist of the FF cabinet internal arrangement. So again, I just want you to get a overall idea. So that is the intent actually, because different vendors follow different methodologies, but the concept is same. See, if it is FF means we should have this power supply and we should have this the terminal boards, redundant field bus power hub. We call it as a power hub, right? Yeah, power supply board. That's it. And in addition to this, 24-volt DC supply. That's it, friends. Okay, let's move on with the other section view. Okay, this is actually a section view. So if you cut and see, this is what, this is XX, okay, XX. So again, what is this? All these terminal blocks visible here, right? Then all your, circuit MCB is all there, circuit breakers, all it's available. And this is your boards, right? MTL boards, right? Yes. And what is this 8? Item 8 is, yeah, item 8 is again the mounting flange actually. Yeah, this is for the mounting flange. Yes, okay. Then similarly, you have this YY, section YY. Here also the same thing. You can see here the what do you call MTL power supply board, and you have all this MCB, circuit breaker, all these. So not much to explain further in this also, right? Okay. Then we go to the power distribution. Again, this is also similar to the DCS digital cabinet, what we discussed yesterday. So yeah, the incoming cable somebody will supply, and from here it will be connected to this what do you call the UPS UPS incoming feeder. From there we loop it. From there it goes to this fan one and yeah, all these fan one and fan 51 through MCB. Okay, and the circuit breaker is all there. That is how it's connected. Okay. Then similarly the second feeder, second one. So this is also similar. This is fed to the fan 2 and fan 52. Okay. This is about the 120-volt AC power UPS power supply distribution. Then you have the power distribution for the 24-volt DC. This is also similar to the DCS system cabinet and what do you call the marshalling and digital cabinet. Sorry, yeah, digital cabinet. So as you can see here, the power coming in, right? So this is your power supply one, and this is your power supply two, right? So this is feed in. This is feed into this what do you call this board, MTL's power supply board, right? Yes, one, two, three, four, right? Yes. Similarly, you have a spare, then go to the next sheet, continuation. This is on the other side, right? Rear side. Yes, here also TF51, yeah, three boards and one spare. Okay, this is how we need to, come out with the FF marshalling cabinet design. Okay, then you have this bill of material, which is the final one. All these, cabinet, plinth, door handle, drawing pocket, insulator, backlight, nameplate, all these. Nameplate is very common, friends. So that's why I'm not covering this. Nameplate is very common for all the cabinets. Then you have filter, MCBs, all these. Yeah. So that's it. So hope you have got some idea. Okay. Yeah, if you want, again a detailed, what do you call, a lesson or a session, you can write to me. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for your what do you call support. Yes. So anything you can write to me. To be spice for you at gmail.com. Thanks a lot, friends. Bye bye. Take care.